So vlog, so it is day 47. You guys saw us at the, let's see if that can, you guys saw us at the mill and stuff. We're in Elgin right now. Yeah, I had a little mishap with my knee at a chainsaw, super fun. But now Jacob and I are heading to the cafe and we're getting some Wi-Fi, so. So Jacob and I are going in the abandoned school in Elgin. Thought we'd check it out. So alright, so I just finished sorting through all of my photos that I've done this week, which is super good. Gets me on the ball for a lot of things. Now I can focus on a lot more schoolwork. So that's all done, and now I just have to upload them and send them out to people. So that's not super hard. Now when I get back to Moncton, I will be working on like my ethics presentation and some other stuff that needs to get done today, and then I should be good for most of the day, or for most of the week. I've been working decently hard on a lot of stuff, but I'm still slacking just a little bit, but it's reading week, so whatever.